Feeling the heat? Let's spin into the science behind ceiling fans. Ceiling fans are more than just spinning blades. They work on a simple yet clever principle. When the blades rotate, they push air downwards, creating a breeze. This breeze evaporates sweat from your skin, making you feel cooler. But fans don't actually lower room temperature, they just make it feel cooler by enhancing airflow. Think of it like this. When you blow on hot soup, it cools down faster, right? That's air circulation in action. Now, ceiling fans use electric motors to spin their blades. The motor creates a magnetic field that turns the blades around. It's the same science behind electric mixers and washing machines. So, next time you switch on a fan, remember, it's a cool piece of engineering keeping you comfortable. Amazing, right?